Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another summer craft party video. Today I have a really easy insert card for you. This is my summer crab insert card. How fun is this design? You have that cute little crab. I named him Sebastian. The little anchor here on the bottom, some stars, and just a really cute design. On the inside there's plenty of space for your message, and I included an envelope as well. Now, like all of my insert cards, this can be made on any Cricut cutting machine ranging from the Cricut Joy all the way up to the Cricut Maker 4 and the Cricut Venture. It's really easy to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your Cricut cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Summer Craft Party 2026. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the buttons to download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file from my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire 12-day event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass in the description box below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of these score lines, so let's first find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers, highlight this top layer, come up to the operation menu and change that to score, highlight the group and attach, and we need to do the same thing to the card base. Once you've converted the score lines for the envelope and for the card base, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to get everything cut out and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Alright, so I've gotten everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is fold and burnish along the score line for the card base. Go ahead and open up the card and you're going to feed the insert into the slits on the card base. Just like so. I'm going to set that to the side. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take our inlay panel. We're going to add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip that inlay over and place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Bring those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And then that forms your envelope. And our insert card is all set. Well, what did you think of this card? Isn't it really easy, really quick, a great way to kick off Summer Craft Party for 2026? I hope that you like it. If you make this project, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. There's a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Summer Craft Party video. Bye-bye.